Hello everyone. How's your sleep hygiene? I'll be honest, I struggled with excessive sleepiness for a long time. I used to stay up all night, weaving stories for a book, surrounded by cigarette smoke, and feeling like I was in a parallel universe. Then I became a father, and a not-so-sleepy child didn't contribute much to a good night's rest. My weight loss journey wasn't marked by a stellar routine either. I juggled various freelance jobs, so midnight became the prime time for workouts. It wasn't until I started forcibly getting myself to bed before midnight that many aspects of my health improved on their own. It might sound surprising, but research suggests that there's solid reasoning behind such improvements. So how can you master the art of relaxing your body and clearing your mind from the stresses of the day, all while setting the stage for an ideal night's sleep? Today, I'll be sharing 20 easy tips to help you achieve a profound and enjoyable night's sleep. Consistent schedule: eat and go to bed at the same time every day. Your body loves rhythmic patterns, and soon it will naturally signal you to eat and sleep at the right times. Peace of mind: starting from 8 p.m., eliminate all anxiety-inducing, dark, negative, and even overly positive creative thoughts. No need to stress yourself out. Engage in activities like reading, listening to calming music, or discussing positive and soothing topics. When your head hits the pillow, let go of all thoughts. Everything will still be there tomorrow. Turn off distracting appliances and let the day peacefully fade away. Regular physical activity: incorporate movement throughout the day. Take morning and evening walks in fresh air. This helps combat swelling and oxygen deprivation. Room temperature: keep your bedroom relatively cool. While 25 degrees Celsius is not ideal, 20 to 22 degrees is optimal. Gentle body cooling before bed: opt for a lukewarm, not hot shower. This promotes the release of relaxation neurotransmitters. Early dinner with fiber and protein: have a nutritious dinner with a decent amount of fiber and protein. A bit of fat is also necessary. For better digestion, consider a teaspoon of ghee before bed. Limit evening fluid intake. Avoid consuming liquids after 8:00 p.m., except for a half cup of warm water before bed. If evening hunger persists during adaptation, a cup of cocoa with spices in goat or almond milk is permissible. Complete light blockage: utilize blackout curtains for total light blockage. A comfortable sleep mask can be helpful during travels. Warm dim light: opt for warm, dim lighting resembling a campfire flame. Consider a salt lamp or simulated fireplace. This relaxes, while blue and white lights can be stimulating and disrupt natural body rhythms. Comfortable sleep setup: pay attention to your sleep environment. If you experience neck pain, consult with an orthopedic professional for suitable pillows and mattresses. Cooling pillows can be an excellent addition, and for anxious individuals, a weighted blanket might offer a solution. Night mode for devices: enable night mode on all gadgets in the evening, making screens dim and slightly yellow. Special blue light blocking glasses can also be beneficial. Magnesium citrate: take magnesium citrate before bed after consulting with a healthcare professional. Those accustomed to morning magnesium intake may experience daytime drowsiness and sluggishness. Magnesium promotes relaxation and aids regular bowel movements. Include magnesium-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, cocoa, and legumes in your diet. Complete silence: invest in custom-fit earplugs to neutralize noise. If your home is quiet, that's perfect. If not, address the noise issue. Peak activity in the morning: schedule vigorous activities, including mental tasks, in the first half of the day. Before bedtime, engage in slow, calm, and meditative activities. Fresh air inflow: despite conflicts with street noise, ensure a fresh air supply. Consider using a ventilation system. Tryptophan intake: Consume tryptophan or 5-HTP supplements at night, or include tryptophan-rich foods like chicken, turkey, cottage cheese, and fatty fish in your diet, under professional guidance. Positive thoughts before sleep. Engage in pleasant thoughts and dreams before sleep. Relax, fantasize, visualize your goals. It's rejuvenating. However, worries and mental clutter can be detrimental. Avoid spicy and fatty foods before bed. Skip sharp spices and heavy, multi-component meals. Stick to simple, light options like steamed patties with vegetables or pureed soup. Limit carbohydrates at night. If you're on a weight loss journey, avoid complex carbs at night. For weight gain, incorporating some grains can be beneficial, as they also induce relaxation. Progressive muscle relaxation. Practice progressive muscle relaxation as a pre-sleep exercise. It alleviates tension, stiffness, and body stress. A link will be provided at the end of the material for reference. What I want to convey with all of this: a good night's sleep is not a hasty outcome, but a journey. Rushing it may amuse others, but it won't lead to quality sleep. Melatonin should be produced, not just consumed. When you harmonize with yourself, both your body and nervous system will find balance. It's inevitable. And hitting 15,000 to 20,000 steps a day leaves no room for insomnia at all. Wishing all of you just that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It greatly helps with my promotion. Also, subscribe and leave your comments. Let's grow together.